Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a really cool unboxing. Something I'm really excited about. This comes from Mark Chang, an awesome dude. As you guys saw from the title, this is the Motorworks Mini Ergo in Zerk without any buttons, because that's how it was sold. But recently I started collecting Motorworks spinners, and yeah, I cannot wait to open this thing. These things are really rare. Damn, he packed this thing pretty well. Thanks, Mark. Alright. Jesus. There we go. I'm gonna put this box aside. Alright, here it is. Motorworks. No writing on the back, but I guess that's just how it is with some of them. Not all have written things in the back of them. Alright, here we go. So we got a blue bag, the first one I have, some bubble wrap, and here it is. So excited. All right, gonna put this box over here and this over here, and let's get right into this thing. All right, here it is. Let me get my cloth. Wipe it down real quick. There it is. It looks to be in perfect condition. All right, cannot wait to get this thing spinning. So as you guys saw from my last Motorworks spinner unboxing, I got this thing. It also came with no buttons, but the guy that sold to me was kind enough to add the buttons on here. So yeah, I'm gonna try these buttons from the NGT stuff, and then also a button my friend Janet sent me. Thank you so much, Janet. All right, let's try these buttons first. Gonna try those on last. All right. Here we go. Oh yeah, this thing is nice. Spins so well. Yeah, this thing is pretty nice. The edges are a bit sharper than mine. So yeah, I guess that was just made at a different time. Look at that thing. All right, let's try the next buttons. I'm gonna put these back on this thing. Let's go ahead and try. Here we go. We got these buttons. So this is Zerk on Zerk. There you go. It's a bit wobbly for some reason, but it's fine. I think it's because of the buttons. Let's try these on. Look at that. That looks so good. Spins so well. I just love this thing. Now let's try these. The actual Modusworks buttons. Yeah, man, I completely love this thing. Gonna put these back on here. I'm gonna put those away, and I'm gonna compare both of these together. But yeah, I give this thing a 10 out of 10, to be honest. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. And that'll be that. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next one.